Hey sis, hey, it's your favorite formulator, Chemist TK, coming at you guys with a leave-in conditioner formula. I will have all the percentages on the screen so you can follow along with me. If you have questions, don't forget to comment down below and I'll get back to you and answer every question as I can. Let's get into it. So let me go ahead and explain to you what these two ingredients are in this weighing dish. So you'll notice one little fine powder and then some thick chunks. Well, the fine powder is basically your sodium gluconate, which helps to stabilize and protect the products from discoloration and rancidity, because whenever you're having oils and butters coming together, sometimes rancidity can occur. Now, the other product that I was showing you, that is basically two conditioning agents and an emulsifier. And the purpose of this particular part of the formula is to help to improve the structure and volume of the hair and to deeply condition and easily detangle your hair. Okay, so let's get back into it. So you'll notice that I'm stirring and mixing, and it's kind of thick. You may see some little small particles in there. You're just gonna keep on blending and blending and blending and stirring as much as you can until all those particles break down and dissolve inside. Now, I'm adding my 3 oil concoctions here with the little vitamin E oil. I'm gonna pour all of that in, and then I'm going to stir that up to make sure it's thoroughly blended, and then you'll see. You're just gonna keep mixing, mixing, mixing. Shake what your mama gave you, all right? Just keep on shaking until it's thoroughly blended. And then you can check to see how it looks like whipped cream consistency. And now you can move on to the next step. Listen, you need a preservative. I don't care what nobody say, you need a preservative. And this is one of the preservatives that I recommend that you use for your formulations. You can use whatever you want, but you want to make sure that it's for water-soluble products as well as oil-soluble products. So here I'm just basically separating about 2 ounces of the product out because I'm going to actually add a little bit of fragrance to it. So this is a special formula that I'm making for someone. And so I'm just taking 2 ounces of the product, and I only need a little bit of the drops of my oil, okay? So, my fragrance oil. So that will vary depending on the type of products that you're using, whether it's essential oils or fragrance oils. Just read up on what your formulation will call for your according to the fragrance that you're using. Now, I'm just going to use a little bit of product. I just had to see how this looks on dry hair. So I was wanting to see after I made it what it was going to do. So this is dry hair. You know, my hair is dry, and I just twisted it so I could see what it was going to look like, y'all. Okay, so don't be judging me on my little twisting methods here, okay? And then I'm just going to let it dry for about 5 minutes. Yeah, I was impatient. So I wanted to see what it was going to do. So keep watching so you can see the results. So now I'm going to take those little twists out now, and I already did. So as you can see, y'all, it made my curls pop, okay? As you can see, I've already taken a loose the first one, so I'm taking away a loose the second one now. with one hand while I'm holding my camera with the other, and watch how those springy curls just pop. Pop, pop, pop. Yes, y'all. So if you want to know how to do this formula, just watch it. If you got questions about the product, just holler at Just Chemist here and have fun. Don't be afraid of formulating, y'all. It's a lot to it, but not really. But if you got questions, just put them in the comment section below. Okay? Talk to you soon. And thank y'all so much for watching and subscribing. Take care. Have a good one. Happy vibes.